Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instantly.ai for cold outreach automation with no-code apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Instantly.ai, first, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.instantly.ai in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration form. You will now need to enter your email address. Make sure to use an active and accessible email. Next, create a strong password for your account. Be sure to follow any password guidelines provided. After entering your email and password, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Instantly.ai. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Instantly.ai website. Once redirected, complete any additional information requested. Common fields include your name and company details. After filling in the information, click the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will be taken to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and navigation. To set up cold outreach automation, look for the Automation section. Click on the Automation tab to explore the options available. You can integrate no-code apps for your outreach needs. Select the Integrations option to connect other tools if necessary. Follow the prompts to link your preferred no-code apps. Once everything is set up, you are ready to start your outreach campaigns. Remember to explore tutorials and resources provided by Instantly.ai for optimal use. Now you are all set to leverage cold outreach automation effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.